Hello, Bailey Bear. This is your Pops from Hickson, Tennessee. And remember when we rode the tractor? See? I'm going to get on this tractor. We had it fixed. Let's see if I can mow a little bit. I'll take you with me, okay? Okay. I'm getting up in the tractor. I'm going to push the choke in. Start it up. There might be a little jumping around here. You probably won't be able to tell what I'm doing. But there. Okay. Get ready. Up. Going backward. I decided to name our tractor Jack. That would be Jack the Tractor. Here we go. Okay, I'm driving. Not going too fast. All right. Hang on a second. I'm going to speed up. Put in another gear. Now we're talking. Woo! Got horses out there. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Jack. Jack. He's our man. He can't do it. Nobody can. Out of sight. Gonna make a turn. Alright. Here we go. Alright. I hope this turns out for you. Come on, Jack. You got style, you got grace. That's the most powerful and blessing in space. Okay, buddy, I love you. Bye.